since Matt test drove the BRZ, he wants me to figure out what I hate about it so I can sell it to you.
So this is 5 things we hate about the BRZ.
All right, so for number 1, of course everyone knows about how BRZs are, but this. Get that shit out of here and replace it with like a 2J or something.
Why is this number 1? We want to know.
If you're dailing this car and you're driving on the streets, everyone's gonna want to race you. Cause, I mean, look at the fucking car. Who's not gonna want to race this? The second thing is how fucking cheap Subaru and Toyota were. Like, look at this. Fake carbon fiber, and it's like hollow. What is that? Come on, really? Do you guys hear that? What is that? Like, it sounds like I'm in a goddamn boat rocking back and forth.
Oh shit.
Okay, that's one I'm like, come on, Subaru, fix that. It wasn't like that before, but
Just the cheap interior.
yes, what happens when you cheap out.
Alright.
Okay, the third reason isn't really about the car, but about the people within like the community. So I've owned this car for about 4 years, and I've been in like 5 Facebook groups. They're all toxic. Like,
damn.
It's so bad. But yeah, that's one thing that I hate.
Just a disclaimer for you guys, we're doing this in 100-degree weather, so we have to keep taking breaks.
Yeah, it's hot.
It's pretty bad, so just bear with us.
All right, number 4 is the tires. Now I switched these out when I got these rims, but God, I don't know why they thought, oh, let's put Prius tires on this damn car.
So this car comes stock with Prius tires?
Yeah,
What?
good old Michelin premises, bro.
Nah.
On 215.
Oh man.
Number 5 is the exhaust. So quiet that, here, let me show you something real quick. The exhaust is so quiet that this little cricket noise, the fuel pump, is louder than the stock exhaust. It's so bad. So I ended up changing out my exhaust, got headers, unequal length, front pipe, and then a cat back. One thing I don't get about this car is how easy it is to like have ABS go off. Like, check this out. Ready?
What?
It's just like the fast movement.
You can hear that.
Like, look at that. I don't get it. What is that?
Damn, bonus.
But then for me to not have that, I have to hold this for fucking 5 minutes.
5 minutes, literally, bro.
Fuck. It's still not off. See how long I held that shit? It's still not off. What the fuck?
Oh, there you go. That's bad. That's bad.
Yeah, it's really
Alright, well, you had me convinced that I was gonna buy one of these things, bro. Not anymore. I'm
Alright.
sorry.
You're lost.
Now that's a view. And if you add the view plus the rumble sound, you have your life made. Oh shit, Lambo truck. I'm just kidding. I had to, bro.
Yeah, fucking
Look at that view, though. Oh, wow. You live in a beautiful state. If people were to see that and be like, that's where you live, that's
like,
not really the real
damn,
view.
you live here, dirt.
If you don't know what kind of car that is, you can find out if you look at the license plate. Watch, we go over this hill, you'll see even better view. Watch this. Get ready, I'm gonna focus on Nate, and then we're about to go to the view. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom.
Yeah.
Look at that view.
Red turn.
Wow. Red turn. Oh, how about this one? How about this view? Oh, get your mirror out of the way. Here we go. Boom. How about that? Yeah. Yeah, we really aren't gonna find shit. Where are you taking us, bro? Where are we? Like, Cayenta. Oh no. Say that again.
Dude, that's it. That's all I have.
You can't think of anything else that you hate
This
about
is the best car ever.
Oh.
Dude, sell the Z. Buy this.
Hey!
Buy this.
All right, you guys, Nate had to go earlier, so we're closing out the vlog, but I wanted to go somewhere where there was a pretty good view. There's a pretty good view right now. With the sunset, I pretty much missed it by a little bit. But thank you guys so much for watching the vlog. We're gonna do more of these. We have a lot of fun making these videos, so we're gonna keep making more. If you guys want to see anything, please leave in the comments what you guys want to see. If you guys have any questions or anything, leave them in the comments. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next vlog.